This video is about top 3 400cc touring motorcycle. Number 3. Bajaj Dominar 400. It's a sport touring bike. Power 39.42 bhp, torque 35 Nm, top speed 165 km, mileage 29 km, and price 2.23 lakh. Number 2. Royal Enfield Himalayan. It's a adventure bike. Power 24.3 bhp, torque 32 Nm, top speed 122 km, mileage 32 km, and starting price of 2.57 lakh. Now number 1. KTM 390 Adventure. It's a touring bike, starting price 3.37 lakh, power 42.3 bhp, torque 37 Nm, top speed 155 km, and mileage 28 km.